What's going on, guys? Tony here again. If you ever hear a ticking noise when you're turning your wheel either left or right and you're driving, come down and look at your lower ball joints. These are notorious. You'll see them 19, 20, 21, but they're notorious for being loose. Go ahead and check your uppers too. They're not common, at least not as much as the lowers, but both lowers on both sides. Remove that cotter pin, tighten this nut, and that should fix your noise.